it's gonna flood. Look at it, it's rushing right past their yard.
It's because we're on this hill.
Oh my goodness.
Look at the street. It's just going.
I know.
I know.
Look.
Here comes the dirt with it. Look.
Dang.
Hey, we might not have a trash can.
Where's our our trash can's going?
There it goes.
There it goes. There goes the trash can. I'll get it. Let's go.
Record, Mom.
I know. What if exactly what we get it because the water's just falling right in. So it's like this.
Hey, turn it around.
Turn it around!
Let it go. Oh, it ain't even ours. Hey, Ann, it ain't even ours. Ours is right there.
You knew, huh?
That's how just now I looked up and seen it there. It ain't even ours. Ours is right there. Oh, shit. Oh, I need to go. Mom, are you still recording?
That's just scarier than the fucking ocean.
Where's Mom?
Was it hard?
She threw my phone. Well, that wasn't even our trash can. We just tried to recover from the fucking flowing river of mud. It wasn't. There's ours right there. Safe and sound.
You tried to do a good thing for somebody else?
Okay, I was doing a good thing for somebody else.
Okay, now I rain. Okay, rain. Now you can
Wow.
zoom out my friend.
I can't believe how flooded it is. Rushing through our yard. Like a river. It is a river.